Okay, Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Student, I hope you all must fine. And I am Miss Taiba and I am teaching to you math subject. So student, take out your books, all of you, and open your book. This is a session of grade 1 as you know that, okay? So student, we covered this all topics in our previous lectures, okay? Missing numbers. Now we start a new topic, okay? Ascending order. The new topic is ascending order, okay? So student, first of all you write down date here, day here, okay? Date with 13th of July 2020, okay? 13/7/20. Then write down day here, Monday, okay? So student, what is ascending order? Okay, so firstly we shall okay, we shall start this work, okay? Ascending order. When we arrange number from smallest to the greatest number is called ascending order, okay? Students, mean ascending order means the arranged number from smallest to the greatest number, okay? For example, that you have 1 to 5 numbers here, okay? And you write down 1, okay, because 1 is a smaller number, okay? Then after 1 what number will come? 2, then 3, 4, 5, okay? So these are called ascending order, okay? The way is the number is showing the ascending order. Then from 3 to 7 we start from 3, then after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? So these are called ascending order because the number start from smaller, then greater, then greatest number, okay? Smaller to the greatest number, okay? So student, now we start some activity like this, okay? Numbers in ascending order, okay? Like, tell me student, from 1 to 5 are, okay? From 1 to 5 are that, tell me that what are ascending order in 1 to 5 numbers, okay? So we start from smaller number like 1, then after 1 what number will come? 2, then after 2 what number will come? 3, then 4, 5. So these are called ascending orders, okay? Now from 3 to 7 are 3, then after 3 what number will come? 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. From 2 to 6, we start from 2 number 2, then 2 what number will come after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So like this, from 4 to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? These are called ascending orders, okay? Because we start from smaller to the greatest number, smallest to the greatest number, okay? From 0 to 9 what are ascending order? We start from 0 number, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? These are called ascending order. Now we start some activity like this. Here, arrange the given number in ascending orders, okay? So this is the oval, and in oval you have like in this oval you have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here, okay? So students, tell me that what are ascending order in this oval, okay? Arrange these numbers, okay, in ascending order. So we start from a smaller number. So we start from a smaller number. Look at there, that what is the smallest number in this oval? 3. Yes, very good. Write down 3. Very good. Now after 3 what number will come? Or what? 4. Very good. After 4 what number will come? 5. Very good. After 5 what number will come? 6. Very good. So this are called ascending orders, okay? Then tell me, in this oval what are the smallest number in this oval? 0. Very good. Then 0 what number will come? 1. Then after 1, 2. After 3, 4. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now what is the smallest number in this oval? Yes, 5. Then after 5 what number will come? 6. After 6 what number will come? 7. Then 8. Then 9. Very good. Now in this oval what is the smallest number? 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here what is the smallest number? 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is the smallest number. Then after 0, 1. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, what number will come? 4 and 5. Last one is, what is the smaller number in this oval? 0. After 0, what number will come? 1. After 1, what number will come? 2, 3. After 3, what number will come? 4. After 4, what number will come? 5. After 5, what number will come? 6. Good. So I hope you all. Okay, now understand this topic under descending order. Okay, we write down date here, day here. Okay, descending order. Firstly, we shall discuss the definition of descending order. When we arrange number from largest to the smallest number is called descending order. Is called descending order. Okay. So student, here when we arrange number from largest to the smallest, descending order is opposite to ascending order. Okay. So descending order means that we start a number from largest, then smaller, then a smaller one. Okay. Like this, we have from 1, 5 to 1. Okay. We start from a larger number. Okay. What is the we start from 5. Then after 5, no, in descending order, we discuss descending order. So before 5, what number we have? 4. Very good. Before 4, what number we have? 3. Yes. Before 3, what number we have? 2. Excellent. Before 2, what number we have? 1. Good. Now, yes, tell me 9 to 5. From 9 to 5. Okay, descending order. Okay, descending order starts from larger number to the smaller one. Okay, 9. Then 9. What after 9? Before 9, what number we have? 8. Very good. Before 8, 7. Before 7, 6. Before 6, what number we have? 5. Good. Like this, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. From 6 to 2. Yes, tell me students, what I can write here? We start from 6 number. Then before 6, what number we have? 5. Very good. Before 5, what number we have? 4. Before 4, what number we have? 3. Before 3, what number we have? 2. Excellent. From 7 to 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now 9 to 0. From 9 to 0, 9. We start from 9, larger one, then the smaller one. But before 9, what number we have? 8. Then 7. But before 7, what number we have? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So students, we shall start this activity. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. You have to write firstly in descending order. We start from larger number one. Okay, larger one. Okay, larger number, then to smaller one. Okay. So what was the larger number, or what is the greatest number in this oval? Yes, look at this. 6. Very good. 6. We can write here 6. Then before 6, what number we have? 5. Very good. Before 5, what number we have? 4. Before 4, what number we have? 3. Before 3, what number we have? 2. Yes, very good. Then what was the larger number here? 4. Yes. Before 4, what number we have? 3. Before 3, 2. Before 1, 0. Then in this oval, the larger one, 5. Then before 5, what number we have? 4. Before 4, what number we have? 3. Before 3, what number we have? 2. Then 1. Okay, we do this activity in this, our session very well. Okay, and this what number we have? What is the greatest number? Say 9. Then before 9, what number we have? 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, here is also 7 is the greatest number. Okay, in this oval. Then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. Okay, here is 8 number is a larger number, then 7 number is larger one, then 6, 5, 4. Okay, larger to the smaller one. Okay, now we start from new topic, before and after. Write down date here, day here. Okay, and what comes before. Okay, before and after, you know very well that what number comes, or what number comes before. Okay, so what comes before? Yes, tell me, student. Before 5, what number we have? Before 5, 4. Excellent. You can write here 4. Before 8, what number we have? 7. Yes. Before 8, what number we have? 7. So 7 comes before 8. Before 2, what number we have? 1. Very good. Before 1 comes before 2. Before 1, what number we have? 0. Yeah, very good. 0 comes before 1. So student, the number before 2 is, tell me, before 2 what number we have? 1. Very good. Now number before 8 is, yes, tell me, before 8 what number we have? 7. Very good. Before 7 what number we have? 6. Before 5 what number we have? 4. And before 3 what number we have? 2. Okay student, this is your homework. Okay, I explain this to. Okay, this one, dash is before 5. Okay, what number come before 5? What number come before 5? 4. Yes. What? Yes, tell me, what number come before 4? What number come? 3. Excellent. Now you do this activity in your home. Okay, oh, this is your homework. Okay, remaining part. So till then, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz, all of you.